This tutorial deals with the installation and first launch of VitaminBW. The procedure is shown on a Mac, but it is identical on Microsoft Windows, with one difference. In that case, you must operate within an account which has administrator privileges enabled and launch Adobe Extension Manager. VitaminBW is downloaded as a zip file. The file should decompress itself, but in case it doesn't, you can do it by double-clicking on it. We strongly suggest you move the file into a folder, Know-how Transfer in this case, where you can store all of our products and documentation. Double-clicking on the zip file produces a folder called VitaminBW with a version number, namely 1.0. Inside the folder you will find 4 items: the extension proper, 2 PDF manuals in English and Italian, and a folder called Z Manual Installation, which you will need only in case you run into problems with your version of Extension Manager, which is rare. The instructions for this are contained in the PDF manual, section 2b. To install, simply double-click on the file with the ZXP extension. If this procedure should fail, the problem is likely due to a missing Adobe Extension Manager. If you need to check that Adobe Extension Manager is installed for the version of Photoshop you're using, search for the file by writing its name in the proper search field. In case it doesn't show, you can download the Extension Manager for free from Adobe's website. Both Win and Mac versions are available. Once the Extension Manager is installed, if Photoshop is open, quit. Double-click on the file with the ZXP extension. This will launch Extension Manager corresponding to the latest version of Photoshop installed on your system, CC in our case. You must click on Accept in the Extension Disclaimer window, and you will have to confirm installation at the next window. The process is automatic, and VitaminBW will appear in the list of the installed extensions. Notice the Remove button on the right, which removes the extension, should you need to do so for whatever reason. In case you want to install the extension on a different version of Photoshop, you can do that by launching the corresponding Extension Manager. Let's do it with CS6 as an example. Select Install and navigate to the folder which contains the extension. Click on VitaminBW ZXP and then on Open. The procedure goes on as before. At the end, you will have VitaminBW installed on Photoshop CS6 as well as CC. Please notice, in case you try to install the same extension twice, Adobe Extension Manager will ask you if you really want to overwrite the existing version. The correct answer is yes in case you are upgrading, otherwise just click no. You can now quit the Extension Manager. To use Vitamin, you must launch Photoshop first, because Vitamin is not a standalone application. Open an image and choose VitaminBW from the Filter menu. The window of the extension will open and you're ready to work. If you want to know more about the interface and its functions, please see our dedicated tutorial.